Hi, I'm Ian Glenn Curilan. This is ITA 10 Introduction to Computing, and the topic for this presentation is about operating system and utility programs. First, let us define what is system software. System software consists of the program that control or maintain the operations of the computer and its devices. System software serves as the interface between the user, the application software, and the computer's hardware.
If your computer is on, the system software is running. System software is a computer program designed to run a computer's hardware and applications. Thinking of a total computer system as a layered model, the system software is between the hardware, or physical components, and user applications. System software runs constantly in the background, maintaining a computer's basic functions, including the disk operating system, file management utility software and OS services, and providing an interface for the user. The most common example of system software is an operating system, or OS, which manages all the programs in a computer, like Microsoft Windows or Apple's Mac OS, for example. But system software also includes the basic input-output system, the boot program, an assembler, a device driver, and other system utilities. Hypervisors, which virtualize computer resources, are also system software.
Two types of system software. 1. Operating systems. Operating system is a set of programs containing instructions that coordinate all the activities among computer hardware resources. 2. Utility programs. It is a type of system software that allows a user to perform maintenance-type tasks, usually related to managing a computer, its devices, or its program. Operating system function. Starting a computer. Booting is the process of starting or restarting a computer. When turning on a computer that has been powered off completely, we are performing a cold boot. A warm boot. It is a process of using the operating system to restart a computer. Providing a user interface. User interface control how you enter an instruction and how information is displayed on the screen. There are two types of user interfaces, the command line and the graphical. Managing programs. One of the most important tasks of the operating system is to help the computer manage hundreds of processes that run at the same time. Managing memory. Memory management is a process of controlling and coordinating a computer's main memory. It ensures that blocks of memory space are properly managed and allocated to the operating system, applications, and other running processes that have memory they need to carry out their operation. Scheduling jobs is the process of allocating system resources to many different tasks by an operating system. Configuring device refers to the specific hardware and software details in terms of devices attached, capacity or capability, and exactly what the system is made of. Establishing an internet connection. Operating system typically provides a means to establish internet connections. Some operating system also includes a web browser and email program, enabling you to begin using web and communicate with others as soon as you set up the internet connection. Monitoring performance. A performance monitor is a program that assesses and reports information about various computer resources and devices. Lastly, providing file management and other utilities. Operating system often provides users with the capability of managing files, searching for files, viewing images, securing a computer from unauthorized access, and installing programs scanning disk, defragmenting disk, diagnostic problems, backing up files on disk, and setting up screensavers. Understanding operating systems.
Did you know that you and your computer speak different languages? It doesn't speak Spanish, or Swedish, or Chinese. It speaks in ones and zeros. You can't communicate directly with your computer, but that's where your operating system comes in. The operating system, or OS, is the program that lets you interact with your computer. Together, the operating system and computer hardware form a complete system that determines what your computer can do. There are many different operating systems. Two of the most common ones are Microsoft Windows and Mac OS. Windows comes preloaded on most personal computers, while Mac OS runs on all new Macs. Operating systems aren't just for desktop and laptop computers. Mobile devices run mobile operating systems, like Apple iOS or Google Android, which are designed for interactions with smaller touchscreens. Before downloading a new program or application, be aware that it may not be available for your operating system. Some applications work on all devices, while others only work on certain ones. So get to know your operating system to see how it works and what it can do.
Types of operating system. First, standalone operating system. Second, network operating system. Third, embedded operating system. Standalone operating system. A standalone operating system is a complete operating system that works on desktop computer, notebook computer, or mobile computing device. Examples of currently used standalone operating system are Windows, macOS, and Linux. Network operating system. A network operating system is an operating system that is designed specifically to support a network. Example of network operating system includes Windows Server 2003, Unix, Linux, Solaris, and NetWare. Embedded operating systems. The operating system on most small devices called an embedded operating systems. Android, BlackBerry, and Windows Mobile are some examples of embedded OS. Utility programs and its purposes. File Manager. A file manager is a utility that performs functions related to file management. Search Utility. A search utility is a program that attempts to locate a file on your computer based on criteria you specify. Image Viewer. An image viewer is a utility that allows users to display, copy, and print the contents of a graphic file. Personal Firewall. A personal firewall is a utility that detects and protects a personal computer from unauthorized intrusion. Uninstaller. An uninstaller is a utility that removes a program, as well as any associated entries in the system files. Disk Scanner. A disk scanner is a utility that searches for and removes unnecessary files. Windows Vista includes a disk scanner utility is called Disk Cleanup. Backup utility. A backup utility allows user to copy or backup selected files or an entire hard disk to another storage medium, such as CD, DVD, external hard disk, tape, or USB flash drive. Screensaver. A screensaver is a utility that causes a display device screen to show a moving image or blank space if no keyboard or mouse activity occurs for a specified time.